In a major diplomatic event marking the 10th anniversary of the comprehensive strategic partnership, President Droupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi received Vietnamese President To Lam with a full ceremonial welcome at the Rashtrapati Bhavan today. Following the ceremonial reception, President To Lam paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. The visit is expected to focus on intensifying the comprehensive strategic partnership between India and Vietnam, with high-level talks slated to cover maritime security, trade, defense cooperation, and regional stability in the Indo-Pacific. Officials indicate that this visit will likely lead to several key agreements aimed at enhancing digital economy, energy security and cultural exchange. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.